Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Kathy E. Smith, also known as Resource Rita, and welcome to the Business Owners Online Marketing Academy. And I'm so excited that you decided to join us. So, I just wanted to share this brief video on getting started and sharing with you how to navigate through all of these modules and categories. And each month I will share monthly updates and announcements right here. But in order to view the module or get any updates, I'll update this section, but each month I will have a download here. And for each section, I have added questions to help you share with me exactly what you want to hear about, or what topic you'd like to learn, or what type of guests you'd like to have, or what type of sessions, what topics you would like to cover in the implementation weekend. So, if you want to go to the next module, this is if there's any homework or activities, it will be here if I had any for that particular type of lesson. And these questions are all designed to help me help you increase your visibility. So there is an exercise tied into this target audience worksheet. And if you happen to know who your target audience is, place it here before you finish the target audience worksheet. So if there's more than one item, it will be listed here. And if you want to go back to the previous module, if you at any time just want to go back to the main page, you just click the breadcrumbs up at the top. And even when I add new items, always check for the lesson, because that is where I will add new lessons, but I will let you know if if something has been added under any particular category. So a module is simply the category, and if you click here, on any of these lessons, you will be able to view this. And I'll do my best to make the summary as engaging as possible. So thank you for watching this video, and please let me know if you have any questions. And welcome, welcome to the Business Owners Online Marketing Academy, also known as BOOM.